Liquid filling and sealing machine is one of the main products of grand packing machinery. It's used for oral liquid, rapid test solution, perfume, essential oil, olive oil, honey etc. in pharmaceutical, pesticide, cosmetic, food and supplement area. The main working processes: plastic material unwinding, preheating and forming, filling liquid, sealing and batch no, printed, cutting, final product output. It can be connected with labeling machine, cartoning machine to be an automatic production line. For more details, please contact us to discuss.